Check it out, check it out, check it out, yo. And I'm steady holding the throttle. Let me show you. Yeah, this shit was going crazy. I thought I was gonna crash it, but I didn't. But it was throttling up when I was going to idle. It throttled up and took off. I had a runaway, and on the way back, it did it again. So I'm like, what is doing that? Now I see. It's the servo. So we're gonna change that servo and get back out here, yo. My bad. But check her out. The thing is bad, man. This thing is badass, but you know, parts be gone. Look at it. It's jittering as we speak. Look at that thing. Okay, now it stopped. But it was jittering. You saw it moving. Real, look, it's slightly moving. Yeah. Let's change that servo. Let's change that servo and see what happened. I don't know. Hopefully that'll cure the problem. Alright, we'll be back out here. What you working with? Put it on the ground.